Hello, welcome to this short video. This one we are looking at dividing by a decimal, so both whole numbers, integers by decimals, and then decimals by decimals as well. Okay, so if we have a look here, we have got, in my first example, we've got 640 divided by 0.2. Okay, now we could see the question written like this, or we could see it written as a fraction. Both things mean to divide, but what we do know is that it's not very easy to divide by a decimal number. It's much easier to divide by an integer. Now, because it's a division, and because divisions can be written as fractions, we can find an equivalent fraction by turning the denominator, or the divisor, that is the second number, or the bottom number of a fraction. Okay, we're going to multiply both numbers by 10, keeping the proportion of the question the same. So this becomes 6,400 over 2, and they're going to give us the same answer, remember, because they are equivalent fractions. Equally, here I would, if I was going to use this method here, I'd multiply both of those by 10 to get 6,400 divided by 0.2. Now, sorry, not 0.2. That's wrong. And when we make a mistake, we can just rub it out and we can write the correct number in. 2. Now, both methods, on this left one, I'm going to use a bus stop. Okay, now we've been using bus stops since we're in primary school. We're going to keep using the bus stop here as well, because it is a tried and tested method. So 2's into 6 go 3 times, 2's with no remainders, 2's into 4 go twice, no remainders, 2's into 0 are 0, 2's into 0 are 0. So the answer is 3,200. And again, if we look here, both of these numbers are in the 2 times table, so equivalent fraction again would be 3,200 over 1, but because it's over 1, it just remains as itself. So it doesn't matter which way I choose to look at this question, I still get the same answer. Okay, so and then we have a look at our second example. Okay, I've got 78.5 divided by 0.03. Now, it's really important that the second number is a whole number, and if I multiply one by a number, I multiply the other number by the same amount. So this would become 7850 divided by 3. And again, we'll bus stop it. So 3's and the 7 go twice with 1 left over, so carry 1 over. 3's into 18, they go 6 times, no leftovers. 3's into 5 go once with 2 left over. 3's into 20 goes 6 times with 2 left over, so I'm going to need a decimal point here. And carry the 2 over. 3's into 20 goes 6 with 2 remainder, and I can see here I'm going to get a pattern, so it's got to be 6 recurring, so the answer is going to be 2,616.6 recurring. Okay, or if it's asked you to leave it as a fraction, (2,616 and 2/3). Okay, equally, we're going to get this here as well as a fraction. To make it equivalent, we're going to have 7,850 over 3, because we've multiplied both of these by 100. So you can see there that it is an equivalent fraction. And then to do that, we would again use the bus stop that we used over to the left. Okay, so it is really, really important that that second number, the divisor, or the denominator of the fraction, is an integer, and then we can use our bus stop. Okay, now there are 2 questions here for you to do by yourself that you can try. So pause the video now. You can go back and watch what we've done before, but pause the video now, have a go at the 2 questions, and then click play for the answers. Okay, I hope you've had a good go at those. So the answer for the first question, you should have got 224, and then the answer for the second question, you will get a decimal answer for this one. You get 600.5 or 601.5. There you go. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and good luck.